Hi guys, today I'm gonna answer on the popular question: is JBL Pulse 5 speaker waterproof? But first, don't forget to tap the button subscribe to see more useful content. So, is it waterproofed? Yes, it is. With the rating IP67, this speaker greatly deals with dust and water. Even withstand immersion for 1 meter 3 foot for 30 minutes. It is especially cool for those who likes adventure and traveling. Now you can take your speaker with you on a beach or at the pool without a fear to break it. So this is the official side of the JBL, and as you can see, this speaker is waterproof and dustproof. You can check another details on this side or in the user's instructions. So that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.